Did you know that if you add chia seeds to a glass of water and leave it for 10 minutes, it turns into one of the most powerful natural detox drinks? The seeds absorb the water and form a gel called mucilage. This gel goes into your gut, cleans your intestines like a soft brush, removes toxins, reduces bloating, and keeps you full for hours. But that's just the beginning. This simple drink helps balance blood sugar, cuts sugar cravings, boosts metabolism, supports heart health with omega-3, and even hydrates your skin from the inside. Now here's the real secret. If you add the juice of half a lemon, you supercharge it. Lemon adds vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals that help your liver burn fat, support digestion, reduce water retention, and make your skin clearer and brighter. To make it: 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, wait 10 to 15 minutes, squeeze in half a lemon, stir, and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Do this for just 7 days. Your stomach gets flatter, your skin looks fresher, and your energy goes up.